This is where my heart lives. Yeah. Nothing looks leaking. All good. So it's good. Yeah.
That's fine.
Tire pressure. Perfect.
Yep, that's right.
Alrighty, quickly go fill it up.
Late fish traffic, taxi number 5530, taxiing for runway 28, late fish. Late fish traffic, taxi number 5530, entering and backtracking runway 28, late fish. Late fish traffic, Cirrus November Delta India is taxiing for runway 28 for a departure to the south, late fish. Late fish traffic, taxi number 5530, rolling runway 28 for overhead departure to the west, late fish traffic. Traffic left bridge, Technam 8676, turning base for runway 28 for touch and go, left bridge. Left bridge traffic, Cirrus November Delta India is holding short, runway 28, left bridge.
Alright, we start our descent, I think, for Ararat. Yep.
Traffic Bristol 1660, turning base for runway 27 for full stop, call that traffic. Ararat traffic, Technam 5530, 10 miles southeast at 3,300 descending, inbound estimated circuit time 38, Ararat traffic.
Okay, fuel both on, brakes are off, undercarriage fixed, fuel both on, fuel quantity is good, fuel pump on, and temperature pressure is perfect, and harnesses and doors are all locked, good. We can see the airport.
Traffic Ararat, 18 target Charlie Oscar Delta is rolling departing runway 12 grass left, Guadalupe, Ararat. Ararat traffic, Techno 5530 on the dead side of the runway 12, descending to 2000. Ararat traffic, Techno 5530, descending and joining midfield, downwind for runway 12, late Ararat traffic. Traffic approaching downwind F1 crosswind with Charlie Oscar Delta. We're just going underneath you. We're on downwind left hand. Closed circuit will be on the deck in about 1 minute or less. Roger that. I will extend my midfield crosswind, no problem. Thank you. Ararat traffic, Techno 5530 on base final. Ararat traffic.
Traffic, flight X-ray Oscar Alpha, X-ray Oscar Hotel is turning base runway 12 Ararat.
Oh, that was hard.
Ararat traffic, Techno 5530. Dividing open circuit to east, Ararat traffic. Climbing 3,500, Ararat traffic.